Part 21 of the Tips for Teacher series, Creating and Adding Rubrics. To add a rubric to the assignment or quiz, select the plus Add Rubric button on the lower left-hand corner of the published assignment page. If you have a rubric previously created, you may search for it by selecting Find a Rubric in the upper right-hand corner of the section. Simply select your course, scroll to your preferred rubric, and select it. If you are creating a new one, simply begin to edit the available fields. In the entry field titled, write the name of the rubric. Some ideas are the title of the eponymous essay, or if you intend to reuse it, a general title like Essay Rubric. To add criteria, select the pencil icon in the upper right-hand corner of the criteria column. Note that you will not be able to change the order of the criteria. Type them in the order you wish them to appear in the chart. A pop-up will appear with two entry fields. Select the first box titled Description. Type a brief 3 to 5 word summary of the criteria. Select the long description field. Type a thorough description of the criteria by which you will judge scores. To add new criterion, click below your entries on the plus criterion link. You will have the option to select New Criterion, or you may duplicate any criteria you have written before. To add a rating, click the pencil icon in the upper right-hand corner of the box. A pop-up window appears with options to edit the rating. You may add ranges. Select the entry field for rating score. Type in the box the points you wish the different feedback levels to be worth. Select below for the rating title. Type in the box the new name. Select the bottom entry field, Rating Description. Type in the box the criteria for reaching the range of points. Select Update Rating when you have finished. To add a new rating, select the plus symbol in between the rating boxes. The same pop-up window will appear. Repeat the steps from adding scores, a title, and a description. You may also change the total points possible in the points column. Select the entry field. Type the new total in. This will add up to the total points possible in the lower right-hand corner, counted with all the criteria added together. Checkbox options. Note: if you select all write free-form comments when assessing students, you will be unable to provide ratings. Apart from writing free-form comments, you may also select to remove points from the rubric, which hides how many points students will earn for each criterion. This will also hide the total points possible. Select Use this rubric for assignment grading if you wish to refer to the rubric and filling the points through the rubric in the speed grader. If you select to hide total points possible, but not the points from the rubric, students can see the individual component scores, but not the total points possible. When you are finished adding all the grading conditions, select Create Rubric. You may select Edit, Find, or Delete from the upper right-hand corner of the window. You may edit rubrics if they are utilized in only one location. Selecting Edit, the pencil icon, will take you to the page where you first created the rubric. Select Update Rubric when you are finished. Selecting the magnifying glass allows you to search for different rubrics. Selecting the trash can, Delete, in the upper right-hand corner will prompt a pop-up. Select OK to confirm the deletion. This will remove the rubric from all existing locations. To add a rubric to a discussion, go to the Published Discussion page. In the upper right-hand corner of the discussion prompt, select the vertical ellipses. In the drop-down list, select Add Rubric. A pop-up will appear providing you with the same format for searching rubrics or creating one. Follow the steps as outlined previously.